Hi my beautiful viewers, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join me as we explore the early life and fashion of one of the most beloved royal women, Lady Diana. In this video we will dive into her childhood and family background, her education and early interest, her marriage to Charles, Prince of Wales, her fashion evolution from shy princess to global state icon, her most iconic outfits and fashion moments. From her wedding dresses to her revenge dresses, we will examine the fashion choices that made Lady Diana a household name. Subscribe to my channel for more royal fashion content and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with my latest videos. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family who love fashion and the royal family. Their fashion choices have been scrutinized and admired by the public, making them two of most influential women in the fashion. From formal gowns to casual outfits, Kat and Diana have shown us that fashion can be both beautiful and meaningful. We examine the impact of their fashion choice on the royal family image and how they use fashion to support British designers and brands. Their hairstyles have become iconic and we will explore how they achieve their signature looks. Their accessories from hats to handbags are always carefully chosen to complement their outfits. We will delve into their beauty and routine and share tips on how to achieve their flaws, complexion and more. Join us as we celebrate the fashion lives of Lady Diana, true style icon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion content. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Share this video with your friends and family who love fashion and the royal family. Follow us on social media for more fashion and royal content. And get ready for a royal fashion. We will take a closer look at Kat's stunning wedding dresses and Diana's icon wedding dresses. From state visits to royal engagements, we will analyze their fashion choices. Their fashion evolution is a testament to their gown and influence as royal women. We will explore how they use fashion to support charitable causes and British designers. Their fashion choices are always carefully considered and we will examine the thought process behind their outfits. Join us on this journey through the fashion lives of Lady Diana. Don't miss out this royal fashion. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. Share your favorites, Kat and Diana's moments in the comments below. Let us know which royal fashion moment is your favorite and why. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. If you not subscribed yet, please subscribe.